Hey, welcome. Today I'm with my brother-in-law, Ong.
Hi. There's two of them.
He got it.
Big one. Nope.
Oh. Okay, here.
Turn back. Oh, he's looking at it right now.
Okay, hold on. Let me get my plastic.
There you go. Got it.
Oh my goodness! Already? Okay. I didn't even get my pole in there yet. Where is it? Let's see. Oh, he's fighting.
Oh.
Hold
on.
Hold on, ready?
Let me get him the hole first. Let me get him the hole first.
Here she comes. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
All right, good job. First fish.
First fish.
All right, here we go. I didn't even drop mine yet. That's not fair. So what I'm using is I'm using a little gulp minnow, and my bottom is supposed to be a mimic goby. So we'll see.
Oh no!
No! Don't drop that in. I do that all the time. So I have like a 10-pound braided line on 6-pound fluorocarbon. This is the ice fishing braid line. Oh, we got a current. The current's going that way.
Fish.
Oh, fish. Hey, it's going to yours. It's on mine now.
Turn around.
Hey, come on, use the plastic. Oh, it's going to yours. Look at your wax for him. Oh, he had it. I felt the bite, but I think I set too soon. Yeah, he went away. Pounded to get him to come back. Nope, he's not coming back.
The other day I had 2 hits.
Yeah.
I caught 2 fish. I had 2 hits and basically took my line and lure right off.
Broke off?
Yeah, broke off. It was really weird.
Is it whitefish or something else, like a pike?
It's starting to type of why.
Yeah.
Broke my meats and broke off my
Slider?
baby bass.
Oh, baby bass?
Yeah.
Well, what pound of line do you use?
4 pounds.
4?
Yeah.
That's too small for me. I like to force them up. So
No, I like to take my time.
So I use 8, 6 or 8. Make sure you put your phone away from the hole.
My phone is right here in the bag.
My phone's in my jacket. I don't want to take it out. My phone tends to jump out of my pocket. I don't know how it jumps out of my pocket. And when it lands, somehow it finds the hole all the time. It's not like land over there, right? It lands right in the hole. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna keep my phone away from the hole. Come on. Is it biting? No?
No. Just swing around. There's more.
2 of them. There's one in the background.
I have no interest in it. Oh,
Come back. Oh, there's one by me right now too.
No interest in it. One on the bottom. He's looking at the bottom.
Yeah.
I don't know whose lure is he looking at though. Slow it down.
He's gone.
He's on the bottom. There's another one next to me.
Yeah. The one next to me is gone. Oh, fish. Yeah. Yep.
Slow down. They're there. They're there.
Yeah, once in a lifetime. Yeah, that's the smoke machine.
They need to talk to the people on the phone. Slowly.
Yeah.
In the hole.
Yes.
It's a tangle.
I'm fishing right now. I'm out fishing in Green Bay, up in Green Bay. I just got a fish right now. You guys back on your run again?
Oh well. Okay, ulit dama.
Okay. Okay. So, any final things on the about
You gotta talk more on the phone to catch fish.
about your bids? Yeah, like if you won the bid yet? Is the bid done? Oh, okay. Yeah, you didn't put the name on yet?
Dude, mine's a fighter, dude.
You probably got it side.
No, gotta learn them out. See?
Knees partner on the side. That's funny.
Oh no! I'm broke.
Yeah.
Fly, but I didn't see the tungsten.
I gotta put the hook on. I didn't put the slider hook on. Oh, I gotta redo it again. It took me so long just to tie it, and then I got to put the slider hook on. Oh.
So we partner in crime or what?
Yeah. Oh, it's shooting yours.
He's coming straight to mine now.
No, it's turning back to
Come
me.
back. Why is he buying yours? He wasn't gonna buy yours.
Mine's red, so he's not gonna
There's
take
a
the
couple
red.
of them. There's a couple of them.
Mine's red. It didn't take the red.
There's two of them.
Yeah, there's one on the bottom.
On the ground. Oh, there you go.
Come on.
Take mine.
There's one by me, one by you. Let's see who could get it. They're both coming to you. Alright, turn back.
Booby. Suck it. Take it.
Give up.
Take it.
No, he ran away.
No, there you go. He's looking at yours. Slow it down.
No. What? What in the world? It's coming back. It's coming back. Coming back. Maybe I'll lift it up to see if they take the white or the red. He's looking at the red right now. No, I don't feel it.
Oh, he's going down.
It's going yours.
No, he doesn't want it though. Mine doesn't go big. Oh, fish.
Oh, is that fish?
They're on the bottom. Yeah, that was fish.
Oh, it's by you.
Yeah, it's by both of us.
It's coming back.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, good job.
Oh, he's running. Oh, yeah. I don't want to force it. It's 4-pound line.
I know, you gotta get 6 pounds, force it up.
No. That's the fun part of it.
Come on, come on.
Get in the hole.
I'm gonna try to bite your,
Got my top.
yeah. Okay, got it?
Here goes another one. Come on. Get to us. Yes, come on. There you go. There you go. Ooh, there's
Who's two?
Got that guy.
So the other guy's coming to me.
Yeah.
Come on, come to me. No. Okay. Yes. Here. Ah, missed it. Look at it, there you go.
Poor thing. I feel bad now. Hey, that's 4.
Oh my goodness, I gotta catch up. I'm behind.
Nope.
What?
There's 2 of them sitting around. 3 of them. This one's going fast. You're kidding, right?
Come on, you serious?
It's fast.
Got it on the
Right there.
got it on the mega bass.
Oh, mega bass.
Mega bass. So they pick it from the bottom.
No.
No, no. Do not go back in there. Do not go back in there. Come over here. Got my line stuck in my shoe. Oh yeah. How'd you break your rod? Oh my goodness.
There we go. There we go.
You. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Here, let me smack his head first.
Oh my goodness.
No, don't go back in the hole, buddy.
Oh,
How in the world? Wait, hold on.
this is wrong, dude.
Okay, there. There
Oh
you
my
go.
god.
Oh my
I didn't
goodness.
hit nothing. That's what this it just broke.
You hit the top.
No, I did not. How can I hit the top?
I heard you hit that.
No.
Yeah.
I went like this and it just cracked. You heard the crack from the pole.
That's why you need to buy more expensive poles.
Hey, this is the 3M pole. A wicked ice pole. You see?
Oh, is it the ice pole?
Yeah, it's an expensive one. No, I didn't hit this though.
Yes, you did.
I hit this.
No,
Can I
you
hit
you went up like this.
Oh.
You went up like this, and you hit it up there. There are several kinds of YouTubers. There are those who are full-time, and they do about 2 videos a day, or 3 videos a day. And part-time YouTubers are usually the ones that do about 1 video a week, or 2 a week the most. And then there's those of us who are sometime YouTubers, which do about 1 video every 2 weeks, or 2 or 3 a month. And that's me. I'm the sometime YouTuber. So if you could hit that like button and share and subscribe.